My dear listener, if you've ever wondered about the presence of angels, please watch this video from start to finish. It's important for you to know something crucial: you are being watched secretly. However, don't worry, because today you are receiving a special message from the angels meant just for you. This video is their way of reaching out to help and protect you. They are sending you blessings and want to ensure you are safe from any troubles. The angels have an urgent message: someone close to you, whom you trust and care for, has secretly installed cameras in your home. We'll explain everything in detail as you keep watching until the end. The angels reveal that this trusted person is secretly keeping tabs on you. They've put up cameras to watch your every move because they are suspicious of your intentions. This act of spying is hidden from you, but comes from their need to know everything about your secrets, your daily routine, and your thoughts. This is a serious betrayal of your trust. This person, who you once trusted deeply, is showing their true colors, which go against the trust you placed in them. They don't show you the same love and respect you thought they had. Their actions are not about care or love, they are about control and distrust. They want to find out things that they shouldn't be concerned with. Your secrets are being tracked, your movements watched, and your conversations listened to. This snooping might stem from jealousy, insecurity, or someone's wish to use you for their own benefit. Discovering this betrayal can be deeply upsetting. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's with a friend, partner, or family member. When that trust is broken, it can hurt a lot. Remember, the way this person behaves reflects their own issues, not your worth. Realizing this can help you start to regain your peace and freedom. This situation may feel overwhelming, but understanding the reasons behind it is crucial. The universe is bringing this to your attention for a reason, urging you to take action. Begin by observing how this person behaves around you. Do they constantly inquire about your activities? Are they unusually interested in your private matters? Have you noticed any strange gadgets or changes in your environment that suggest someone is keeping an eye on you? It's vital to remain calm and thoughtful. Reacting hastily could complicate things further. Instead, gather as much information as possible to fully grasp the situation. Being well-informed enables you to make wise decisions and protect yourself effectively. If you suspect that there are cameras or other surveillance devices in your place, take the time to look around carefully. Search for items that seem out of place or devices that appear unusual. Stay vigilant and consider involving someone you trust to help examine your surroundings. Sometimes, an extra set of eyes can spot things you might have missed. Additionally, consider the benefits of professional help. Security experts can conduct a more thorough search and offer solutions to safeguard your privacy. In moments like these, maintaining a level head is as important as taking proactive steps to secure your environment. Think about enhancing your digital security as: update your passwords, secure your Wi-Fi network, and ensure your computer and phone have the latest security updates. As you deal with this intrusion into your privacy, remember to take care of your emotional and mental health. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's reading, going for walks, or spending time with supportive friends and family, nurturing your well-being is key to maintaining strength during trying times. This challenge, though difficult, can also be a powerful learning experience. It can teach you about personal boundaries, resilience, and the importance of genuine connections. Trust in yourself and the guidance of the universe to navigate through this. Every storm passes, and with it comes clearer skies and a chance for a fresh start and stronger foundations. If you suspect that there might be hidden cameras in your home, it's a smart move to call in a professional who specializes in detecting such devices In our modern era, security isn't just about the physical spaces we inhabit, it extends to our digital presence as well. It's crucial to ensure that all your electronic devices like your phones, computers, and any smart technology are secure. Regularly update your passwords, use robust security settings, and stay vigilant for any signs that someone might be attempting to infiltrate your devices. Be very cautious about the information you share, even with people you think you can trust. Keep your personal details, future plans, and innermost thoughts to yourself. This precaution can prevent your information from being exploited. If you're feeling uneasy about this situation, don't hesitate to reach out to someone you trust deeply, such as a friend, a family member, or a professional counselor. Discussing your concerns can alleviate stress, and they might offer useful advice on how to proceed. If you come across tangible evidence that someone is spying on you, such as photographs, video recordings, or written notes, make sure to keep this evidence secure. Such proof is vital if you decide to take legal action. In many jurisdictions, it's illegal to conduct surveillance on someone without their consent. Consider consulting with a lawyer to fully understand your rights and to determine your next steps. A legal professional can guide you on how to confront the individual spying on you. However, beyond the practical and legal actions, it's also important to maintain your spiritual health. Whether you believe in a higher power, the universe, or another form of spiritual entity, lean on that faith in tough times. Engage in prayer, meditation, or other spiritual practices to draw strength and find clarity and protection. Express gratitude for the insights you've gained and seek guidance on how to handle the situation. Remember, the support you need to overcome this challenge will come your way. Each difficult experience teaches us valuable lessons. Although this situation is tough, it offers a chance to learn more about who to trust, how to set boundaries, and how to depend on yourself. It's an opportunity to evaluate your relationships and identify those that truly support your well-being and share your values. Through this ordeal, you might discover an inner resilience you didn't know you had. You'll see that you're capable of handling adversity, protecting your privacy, and maintaining your autonomy. As you navigate these challenges, remember that every storm eventually passes, leaving behind a clearer path and strengthening your foundation for the future. As you navigate this tough situation, remember to look after yourself. Engage in activities that make you feel happy and calm. Whether that's enjoying the outdoors, picking up a hobby, or spending time with family and friends, taking care of your well-being helps you deal with stress better. The person watching you might think they control you, but you're the one who really has the power. By understanding what they're doing and taking steps to protect yourself, you take back your independence and pride. You're not a victim, you're strong and can handle difficult situations. Remember, no one can dull your shine, no matter how hard they try to control or trick you. Your spirit is tough and cannot be broken. Believe in your own strength and the universe's help to guide you through this. The universe has let you in on this secret for a good reason. It wants you to be aware, ready, and empowered. Even though this feels like a big storm right now, keep in mind that all storms eventually end, leaving clearer skies and a stronger base. Do what you need to protect yourself, rely on your beliefs, and trust that the universe will show you the way.